Okay, so our next Canvas side we have, page 3, talks about publishing and what it looks like. So this shouldn't take us long. Over on the left of the canvas, I have put in there our anchor chart again to make sure you can reference that. You're going to need a brand new piece of paper. Don't write on the back of a published piece. And you're going to not skip spaces. And there's your title and there's your date. And I forgot to put my name. So make sure you put your name up there at the very, very top. Okay. Um, I wanted to, I took a picture of this to send you because it's easy to make mistakes and it's okay to make mistakes and you sometimes have to start over and that's what I had to do. If you look over on the left up here, or I'm sorry, on the right, I took a picture. I was like, okay, here we go. And I started to publish and everything was neat and clean and I went slow and I stopped because I kept skipping spaces. And I'm not supposed to skip spaces. I have to start over again. So I went ahead and got another piece of paper and I started publishing again. It happens, and you just fix it and move on. I wanted to show you, of course, like what a final copy would look like. There's the real life paper. I would take a picture of this and I would send it to my teacher on the next Canvas slide. So good luck, have fun, be proud of your work, and till next time, bye.